Okay, the kit that you receive. Your DAB plus box, micro USB one side and the antenna connection on the other. Along with this, you've got your USB to micro USB data and power cable. You also receive plenty of antenna lead. That's your plug that goes into the main box. And this is a section for the windscreen. You've got your black box, which is your connection. You've got your see-through antenna that sticks onto the windscreen. And then you've got your metal tag that sticks onto the A-pillar. There's also a set of instructions included as well. Okay, we first of all need to make sure that the DAB program is installed on the screen. You can either get it from the Google Play Store, or as I've got it on memory stick. So I'm just going to go into my programs and locate it from there. Okay, so we try to drive and load the APK. And it failed to open the DAB because there is no DAB box connected. So we'll go back to there, and now we'll install the DAB equipment. Okay, we have the DAB antenna, which is going to go up on the windscreen just over there. So you need to take the passenger side A-pillar off, and to get that off you need the screws in the passenger side sun visor there and over there removed. Take that down and shift this panel backwards slightly so we can get the A-pillar out. Okay, it sounds complicated. It's not really. It's only a case of having to move the top panel just slightly. 2 screws, very simple. And then just take the A-pillar frame out, because we need to be sticking the metal piece, that copper band just there is self-adhesive and sticks to the metal of the A-pillar. It doesn't need to be scraped or anything. It can stick straight over the paint just to give a good surface contact, that's all. And then the rest of the sticky see-through antenna just sticks straight to the screen. Okay, so that's that piece. You've got your USB cable, and then of course you've got your box as well. Okay, so it's all straightforward. We've got the cable. Oh, there we go. You've got the cable from the antenna with that plug there, plugs into that socket on there, and of course the micro USB plug plugs into there, and the other end of the USB cable plugs into one of your USB sockets. Now I've got both of mine in the glove box. I think it's a fairly decent place to put it, so they can go in there, and that seems to work quite well. So we'll get ahead and install that. Okay then, as soon as I've plugged the USB in, everything's connected. This little message will come up on the screen, so we will OK that. It should now open the box up automatically, and it shows there's no signal. Don't worry about that. simply press the search button, and we'll wait for it to install a few apps. Let's get in there. Just better turn the volume down. So there you go. It's installed them all, and oh, there we go. We obviously cannot have. Yeah, so there you go. That's you now see you've got your signal reception on the other side, full 5 bars on there. You've got your various stations, and they've all loaded up very nicely. Reception is absolutely spot on. You may have to go into the settings menu, because that does come up very, very loud. You can alter the input volume, or sorry, output volume, should I say, not input volume. Alter the output volume so that it's not quite as loud when you turn it on. And there's all your various stations. Obviously different areas will pick up different stations. Let's quick run around the screen. See, basically there's your logo. You can actually move stuff around on the screen. This is the default one. So you got absolute radio 80s on here. It tells you what track you're playing as well, or did do, it's just changed. And then obviously then down the right hand side currently we have the various different stations that are available on the screen. So a quick scan through these. So what we got, radio 1, 1 extra, radio 2, 3, 4, etc, etc, all the way down, and you've got loads and loads of stations available. Like I say, this does obviously differ in your own area. Yeah, not bad. Very good. This isn't the first time I've actually played this, so it's why I know what I'm doing already. I've actually installed it in another one, which is the red one, which is in most of this video. So I've already had to play around with it. It is very good. He reports is very, very happy with it. So for the price, it's not too bad at all. It's getting a bit of distortion because of where I've currently got the aerial at present. It isn't fully mounted on this car, but yes, nice little app to go on the screen. You can see it's got if I just touch the aerial properly, we'll get full signal back again. Yeah, I've not actually installed mine properly yet because it's chucking down with rain and I need to get outside to do this properly. So as per usual, I'm doing another video in the rain. Not the best time to do videos, but anyhow. So there we go. We'll put a little bit of music on to see what's coming up. If this is going to work, because I've got, there we go. And it is nice, crystal clear sound. So to be fair, as you would actually have expected from a digital system. And that's it. It's 25 quid here in the UK for one of these. Probably a little bit cheaper in some places. It takes longer, to be fair, to take that panel out over there. Taking the A pillar out takes quite a bit of time. Putting it back as well, but the aerial sticks straight on there, and yeah, it does a really good job. I'm very pleased with it, so hopefully you will too. To get to it, let's just have a look. So you can set it so it detects straight away. So basically, as soon as you turn the unit on, it will detect the box is plugged in and would automatically turn the radio on. Probably not to everyone's liking. Where are we generally? So you got automatic start on USB detection. You can change that. Oops, there we go. Change it so it doesn't detect. So you have to turn it on. Now, if you turn it on, it's very simple to find. Scroll across to your apps page, go into apps, and it should be just there. DAB plus, go into DAB plus, and it opens up to whatever you want to play. Whatever station is last left on, it should remember. So yeah, there we go. There's a few other bits and bobs in there you can change. Here's the audio setting I was on about. You see, it comes in default as 100%. You can drop it down a little bit, 80% there. We'll be down probably 70%. And you've got few other settings here as well. Station logo settings, layout. You can change the layout. Excellent. I'm not going to go all through these. Have a play of it if you like it. But like I say, I'm quite impressed. I quite like it. I don't really play the radio that much myself. Yeah, but it's a nice to have, let's put it that way. So there you go, short video of this one. Didn't want to drag on this one. At the end of the day, it's not much. It's a plug and play app, and it adds to the screen. So there you go. Thank you for watching.